Let me read your mind real quick. All right, I'm going to do a trick just to prove something. Now, to prove that we have been manipulated. It's easy to manipulate people. What is your age? Take your age and multiply it by 2. Okay, multiply your age by 2. Now add 4 to that number. Now I'm going to give you a second for this next one because it might take a second, but I want you to divide the number now by 2. Divide this number by 2. Now when you got this number, I want you to add 1 to the number. And now subtract your age from that number that you have. Okay? I know that there was a lot of numbers going on there, but if you can get to that number, I want to bet that that number is a 3. Now, what you need to understand is I want to explain to you that magic isn't real. Magic is hypnosis. Hypnosis is suggestion. It's subtle suggestion. So, in my opinion, moon magic, because I talk about moon magic and why the Tyson fight was on a full moon, why there was a lot of full moon symbolism that night, a full beaver moon, you have Mike Tyson's rear end and all sorts of things. So why are they doing this? Magic is subtle suggestion, but on a full moon, it makes things a lot different because think about the word lunatic. You call somebody a lunatic. Why are they a lunatic? The word luna goes back to the word moon, a lunatic. Now think about the ocean and what the moons do with the oceans. The moons supposedly have an effect on tide. What is the ocean? It's a giant body of water. What are we made of? We're made of water. We have a lot of water inside of us. We also have salt. So if the moon has an effect on salt water, what do you think is going on inside of your brain? A lot of things are happening inside of your brain. Now, I believe during a full moon, we are more susceptible to this form of hypnosis, which again is suggestion. Now, what were they suggesting during that fight? Well, a few things. For one thing, to accept pure entertainment for reality. Okay, another thing might have been in with the new and out with the old. Get rid of the old, Don't respect your elders. Charge them to a fight. Challenge them to a fight. Like, there was a lot of hypnosis, a lot of subtle suggestion there, a lot of disrespect. That first fight with the boxer humping the dude in the corner. So a lot of disrespectful suggestion and just weirdness. I'm telling you, I believe, in my opinion, that this is all a form of hypnosis, aka magic. So that is what I believe moon magic is, and that's an example of how you can get people to say things and do things that you want them to do. It's just a little trick. I love you all. If you want to learn about symbolism, where religion came from, because we have to understand that we have been manipulated by Knights Templars and all the way back. So learn where these ideas came from. It's on my website, withthesun33.com. I love you all. And of course, this is my opinion.